how to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your sync is turned on for your Google Play Games account. Head over to your Play Store and log in with your usual Google Play Gmail ID and then exit the app. Next, open the Play Game app and once you're there, tap on those three little dots on the top right corner of your screen. Hit the settings option and now in the privacy and profile section, keep an eye out for automatically sign in to supported games option. If your device has it, toggle it on. This nifty feature ensures that every time you launch a Google Play Games compatible game, it magically syncs with your account. This makes switching device or account a breeze. Now that you have got your sync set up, transferring your Google Play Games data to Game Center is a piece of cake. Simply go and follow the usual step and you are good to go. That's all guys. Thank you all for watching until the end and stay tuned till our next upload.